Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY wall photo collage here on LCD.
Hey guys, so I've been wanting to do a photo collage on my wall for a while. Currently my photos are all hanging from string down the wall, but it was just until I found something better. And so I made a trip to the Goodwill and I found so many photo frames, such a good price, and it just so happens that they're all very similar. They're all the black frames, and they look very similar. They don't have any like ridges or anything. They're all very, what is this, I guess matte and flat. They just look so similar. I was very happy to find them. I'm gonna do a quick DIY. I'm gonna get them cleaned up and I'm gonna spray paint them with this gray so they all match. Then I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna get it hung on the wall. Alright, so thought I was recording. Wasn't recording. I'm gonna start over. So I've cleaned them with Lysol wipes and this disinfectant. I don't know the brand of it. We just have a big bottle of them. We just fill up bottles. But I sprayed them with the disinfectant to get off dust, germs, what have you. I am going to start in one section at a time. These brown frames went inside of these these are pretty much what, 5x7 frames, but with these inserts it makes them 4x6s, which is the size photo that I print the most. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint these gray as well because I don't like the different shades. Do I like it? No. I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint them gray as well, and I'm gonna start with one section at a time in case this spray is not enough for all of these frames, which I'm hoping it is. So I don't think I'll need a lot because it's covering dark colors. This spray can cost about $3 and some change at Walmart. Like I said, all these frames are from the Goodwill. I will have the total amount of money spent because, like I say, I like to bargain shop. I'm thrifty. The big photo frames that I was looking at are they're pretty expensive, so I like to find a good deal, find out how to do it myself for cheaper. That's what this channel's all about. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray these, and the next step is to clean all the glass. That might have to wait because I just found out I don't have any Windex, but let's start with just the spray paint. Also, this went inside the its family. The background to it is a mirror, and I'm going to this kind of looks dingy. It might not look dingy on camera, but it looks pretty dingy, so I'm gonna spray paint that as well. Make sure you move your phone out of the way before you start spray painting. That overspray. Most of it came off. That's why I don't need expensive things. That's why I have to be thrifty. Oh, almost forgot. Spray paint this. This is the last bit. just a thought. What I might end up doing, instead of having to hang these all on the wall, I've seen a lot of people do this when they do wall collages. When I move the frames, I might just roll this paper out, move the frames down. When this paper dries, I can cut this paper out to figure out where to put it on the wall. In other words, I can cut out this square, tape the square to the wall, and I'll get an idea of what all the frames look like if I want to keep moving them around. That way you're not putting a bunch of holes in your wall. You're not having to try to hold up like 12 the two collages at the same time. So I'll probably end up doing that because this is not going to take long to dry. It's a good day. It's not very sunny, but it's warm. So I'm going to move on to cleaning the glass. Have to get by with cleaning it with disinfectant because I can't go out right now. My daughter's napping, but I gotta get these frames clean, and I also have to try to get off these stickers. I hate when people put stickers on the glass. Doesn't make much sense, but we're gonna try to get all that off. So what I did try to do was keep it in the right order so I know where all the frames print. Let's try to get this off. If you go slow, you have one of those satisfying moments where it all comes off in one piece. Awesome. The green tag items when I went shopping were half off, so it was actually 75 cents because it was $1.49 a green tag item, so that's cool. All right, so I've cleaned all the glass, cut both hands, gotta cut here and cut here, but I've cleaned all the glass. I counted, there's 18 picture frames in total. I don't know how many 4x6s. The majority is 4x6s, a couple of wallets, and maybe 2 5x7s. The total cost was $14.96, so just under $15 for the spray paint and all the frames, and that's 18 frames and spray paint. You're about to have an entire photo collage, wall collage, for 15 bucks. I think that's a good deal. I think that's a pretty good deal. So all that's left is to just let everything dry, and then I can slowly start to reassemble it. I will say that one of these didn't come with glass. I didn't notice that at the store, but it's missing glass. But I've got a ton of 4x6s that picture frames that I'm no longer using. That's about this size, and it'll fit perfectly, and I can just put that in there and use it. So all right, so now I'm gonna go ahead, put all the photos back together, and see if I can't get it up on the wall. Honey, I put the photos back together. All right, I'm gonna put the photos back together and see if I can't get it up on the wall. Probably not gonna do that collage paper thing just because I'm pressed for time now. The evening's coming, my daughter's awake, so I'm just gonna put it up as best I can. But my husband is home, so if I need help holding stuff on the wall, at least I have an extra set of hands. So let's get to this. So I finished the wall collage. I ended up using thumbtacks. You can used all these colorful thumbtacks. They're a little easier than screws. Instead of having to make a whole bunch of holes, I didn't use a level or anything. I just kind of eyeballed it. So I put it in temporarily with the tacks, and then I'll go back and I'll probably put screws. If it seems pretty sturdy, I probably won't put screws in the wall just because I move stuff around a lot. I don't want to have to keep covering up holes. And as you know, the tack holes are so much smaller than the screw holes. So here is the finished wall collage. It all came out pretty good. paint job could have been a little better, but I think it worked out great. So it was the 4x6s, 5x7, the wallets, another 5x7, two 4x6s, and then the family collage. And it just looks so great. That family in the middle is a mirror, but it's, you know, shining off the wall, so it just looks like it's white, which means it just makes it look like it's the back of the wall. But I love it. For 15 bucks, all these frames and spray paint, we got to customize it to the color I wanted it. They all match relatively. They're just perfect. I love it so much. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thanks for watching.